Polaroid have released a new Instamatic camera that allows you to take photos and print them anytime, anywhere. They've called it the PolaroidNow. So Polaroid are back with a new instant camera. This is the PolaroidNow, kindly sent to me for review by Polaroid. You can see they've sent me the red version, but it is available in a range of colours, so take your pick. You can have something nice and bright or just something plain like black or white. In the box you get a lanyard and charging cable. It's just a micro USB charging cable, but there's no film included. You're going to have to buy that separately. So it can take either the I-type film, which is what I'm going to be using, or it can take the 600 film. These are just cartridges. Loading the cartridges is super easy. Simply unwrap them, press the button on the side of the camera and slip the cartridge in. It will then spit out the protective cover of the cartridge and you're ready to start shooting. On the front you've got an autofocus lens, you've got a main switch for taking the photos, and you've got a self-timer switch. On the back, you've got the power switch, your little LED light that tells you how many shots you've got left. On the underside, you have a quote, which is from Edward Land. Says, "An essential aspect of creativity is not being afraid to fail." But there's no tripod mount on here. I would have liked to have seen a tripod mount. It's super easy to take photos, simply point and shoot. If you want to use the timer, just press the little button on the front. That will give you an indicator light, and when you press the red photo button, you've got 9 seconds before it takes the shot. Photos look great. They're the classic Polaroid style, shape, size and look. They've got that slightly washed out vintage look about them, and even if you make a mistake, as I did when trying to first set up a self timer, I accidentally took a picture of my chest, it still looks kind of cool. With 8 shots, you've really got to think about the shot, and if you are thinking about different types of film, I definitely recommend the black and white one. I think that offers a slightly more timeless looking photo. It looks really classy. Want to see an alternative to the PolaroidNow? Click here to view my review of the Fujifilm Mini 9.